Hey all, hope everybody having a great time. It's Babarish said, and today in this short video I am going to show you that how you can record your voice, your audio while recording your iPhone screen. It's quite simple. Open your access bar. If you have not access bar, simply go to setting and control center. Simply click on control center, and here you can add your screen recording from this setting. So let's go there. Oh, simply you click on screen reading and hold for a second, and here you will find down a microphone option. Simply you have to click on this. Currently it's on. When I will click on this, it will be off. It means the thing I'm saying or my audio will be paused. Now it's I have done. Simply turn it on again, and you can see that my recording is currently running as mentioned on screen. So I hope this simply trick very helpful and useful for you. For now, see you to the next video. Take care, have a good day, and Allah Hafiz.